Hello guys, today in this video we will learn how to make an image gallery using HTML and CSS only. So let's start with the video. So to make a grid in HTML you need to have a div with any class name you wish. Here I would like to give it a class name of grid, and the div inside it, let's give it a class name of item, and let's call an image. In the images folder I already have 4 images downloaded from Unsplash. You can use Unsplash for free copyright without copyright images. So you can also download your images from there. And here I called all the 4 images that I have, and each of them is in a div with a class name of item. Okay, so now if we go and refresh the page, then here you have all the 4 images. Now to make this look like a grid, what we will do is we will do some CSS to our parent element, okay? The div which has the class of grid. So let's say dot grid, and we will do display of grid. So this is one of the properties of CSS, display property of CSS, which is used to make grid. You can also use inline block, you can use flex box, or you can use grid, or you can use floats as well. Nobody uses floats these days because we have more advanced display properties like grid and flexbox. So you can use any of those. In this video, I will show you how to make a grid using the display of grid property in CSS. Okay, and if you also want to learn like complex layouts in CSS using grid, then I will put the link of that video in the description box below and you can watch it out. In this video, I'm not going to show you how to make like a proper gallery pop-up using HTML and CSS because it is not possible with only CSS. You can open it in a new tab, but you cannot, actually have that proper functionality. So to do that, I also have one more video that also I'll link in the description box below. So you can watch that video after this video and make a beautiful gallery, which is actually working. When you click on it, it opens in a big image and all those things. So you can check that video out. So coming back to this video, we call it a display of grid. We save it and we refresh. We see there is no difference because we need to give it a grid template columns property. And let's say 1FR, 1FR. If you're wondering what FR is, then it is a unit to use with grid, which is equal to 50% and 50%. Okay. Even in place of this, if you say 50% and 50%, it will work the same. So this is how you define your columns in grid. So it is this simple. And here is your gallery, image gallery ready. This if you want to like, why I use FR is because it is easy to use FR now. Here now, if I want 3 columns, I'll have to like calculate, divide 100 into like 3 parts and all those things. So it's better I just use FR, 1FR, 1FR, 1FR 3 times. And here I go. Now, this is happening like this because we haven't given any width or height to our image. So that is the reason the image is taking a lot of space. So to solve that, we will say grid and the image, and let's give it a width of 100% so that it fits in the grid properly. And when you refresh, you see it is perfectly fine and it looks great. Okay. And you add more images and your image gallery is ready. So this is how you make an image gallery using HTML and CSS only. It is this simple. You have other ways like flexbox, then display inline block and floats and all those things. So if you want to learn making a grid in any of those, then please put them in the comment box below and I'll make a video using those. Also, we'll make a gallery. So yeah, that's it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys learned at least one thing from the video, then do not forget to press that like button and also subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with more similar videos. Also go and check out my channel. There are many videos for absolute beginners and it will really help you learn all the different HTML and CSS concepts. So yeah, thank you so much for staying till the end and see you in the next video. Till then, bye.